Hello and welcome to another video. This week I'm in Sunny Rhyl. I was supposed to be in Blackpool, but unfortunately the trains are on strike again, so that's been postponed to another day. It's not yet 10:30 in the morning, and already the roads in Rhyl are quite busy. You can see a few vehicles travelling behind me. People, maybe they're tourists on their way to North Wales to enjoy some of this sunny weather. Who knows? First up, we're stopping at the Rhyl Rugby Club. They do a very nice breakfast and a range of lagers, coffee, tea. Well worth a visit if you're in Rhyl. So I'm just leaving the rugby club now, and I'm going to go down to the beach, to an area known locally as Splash Point. So about 5 minutes walk, it won't take us long. Let's go and see what's happening at the beach today. There's lots of bungalows around this area, all from the 1930s style. If you ever think about retiring to Rhyl, this is the area to begin your searches. Okay, so here we are at Splash Point. Let's go and have a look at the beach and have a look around the promenade. It is very sunny today and getting quite hot. The phone has told me that some functions may not be available owing to the heat. So I do apologise in advance if this isn't my best effort. So as you can see, Denbighshire County Council has spent quite a lot of money on Ryl's flood defences. They look very impressive. Let's go further down the promenade and let's see what we can see.
Yeah.
So unfortunately we won't be able to go to the beach, as you can see the tide is in at the moment, but it is nice and sunny and there's plenty of promenade for us to explore. So let's go for a walk, try not to get run down by one of the many cyclists. I do love these stones in a circle, not far from the beach. They are Ryl's answer to Stonehenge. They're very impressive. Let's go have a quick look and then I'll end this short video. Well, thank you very much for watching. Sorry you've not actually been able to see the beach on this occasion. I didn't anticipate the tide coming in at this point. Please do continue to watch my videos, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any future content. Thank you very much for watching. Hope I see you in the next one. Hope you have a nice weekend and enjoy the sun. But do remember to wear hats and lots of sunscreen and stay safe and well. Like I say, I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.